Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I'm in Czech Republic in order to take part in the second RC rally of the season. This is the Moravia Cup championship. Right now it's the shakedown time before the event starts. I already did mine and I'm quite satisfied about the setup. And as you saw, it's going to be a RC rally event completely on road. I really like to come here to race in Czech Republic because the average level of the people that take part in these events here is extremely high. Just to give you an example, RC Rally has born in Czech Republic around 40 years ago. And it's funny because there are some guys that are 20 years old and their fathers teach them about how to RC Rally since they were 5 years old. Something like in Formula 1, Jos Verstappen with Max Verstappen, and that's why I really like to come here because if in Poland I'm able to win championships to fight for the podium, here is already a great result to be in the top 10. Talking about which kind of RC Rally models here people use, it's quite various. We have many different RC models with self-made components like here. Thank you. We can observe this beautiful steering system customized by him. We have a lot of X-rays, few Tamiyas. In general, if someone uses a Tamiya here, it's not because he wants to, let's say, compete for the victory, but he wants something competitive and with a good price. I was expecting to find the rain watching the weather forecast, but it's a quite sunny day. It's a bit of a problem because since I was expecting cold and rain, I made a quite soft setup. But luckily the car is very drivable and a lot is going to depend by my driving style. Here we have the, let's say, Polish expedition team. Everyone is getting ready. I want to show you just in a fast way this beautiful X-Ray XB4 customized by Kuba. I think that the yellow and the orange fits a lot together. The yellow, the black I mean. Oh, thank you for opening. So we are, let's say, all together a team, and these projects are, let's say, made by ourselves, and we are testing few different things. Here we have a central rear position of the battery and the engine. Meanwhile, the model that I'm using is central front. So me and Michał are using this kind of setup, while Kuba
Hi Dario.
are using the same setup with central rear engine. We are testing which solution fits better for RC Rally. Meanwhile, Patrick is using a modified X-Ray T3 T4. His strategy for this season is to have two models. The X-Ray T3 T4 is used for on-road events.
Sorry Dario, quick interview. Are you going to win today?
Yes, I'm going to win in order to be not last.
Okay, good luck.
And I was saying that for this kind of events he's going to use a X-Ray T3 T4 modified into RC Rally, and for off-road events he's preparing the X-Ray XB4 in a setup similar to this one. Okay, I think that's all. I need soon to bring my car here to the park farm because the event is almost starting. Just a quick shot about the bodies that I can see here. They have very nice customizations. I really like this one. Also this Toyota is so cool. And yes, time to get ready. See you soon on the first stage. So right now they're presenting the event, explaining the rules, how the event is going to organize and so on. See you on the first stage. that part was a bit confusing. Oh. Currently I'm 57 seconds from the podium and 12 around seconds from the first place, and as you saw I did 3 mistakes. I cut a corner and I had to go back, I had a rollover and I took the wrong path. So without that errors I could have been even higher, maybe on the podium. An update after the first 2 stages. I'm very happy. I'm 5th. I'm in a stable 5th place with some advantage on the 6th place, and I can fight for the podium. I'm around after 2 stages less than 10 seconds from the 3rd place. I think that I don't have any chance for fight for the victory or for the 2nd place, but maybe if I start to drive in a better way without doing mistakes, I can put some pressure on the guys in the 4th and 3rd place. Other than that, the only change that I made now, between the 2nd and 3rd stage, we are allowed to work on our RC models. I reduce the power of around 10% because I was driving at 100% of throttle.
Trzymaj, tylko nie poklej się jeszcze.
Here Michał is adjusting his setup. We thought that he had a too low setup and the chassis was not working in a good way, balancing the weight. So in the 3rd stage we'll check if there are going to be some improvements. Talking about improvements, Michał provided me some new parts after some feedback that I gave him. This is the servo cover that prevents the dirt going from the servo inside the chassis. We're using a servo cover that was, let's say, 4.5 centimeters tall. I modified it a bit, the one that he gave me, and I was able to reduce the height of the servo of 5 millimeters. And taking this idea, he redesigned completely this part, adjusting it to my needs. And I'm having a lot of fun. And I'm extremely happy that I'm fighting for the 5th place, for the podium. It's an amazing result comparing it to the last year. I'm improving, and all the changes that I made during the winter break were going in the right direction. It's still a long way, it's still the beginning of the season, so we will see. Let's place the model in a convenient way for the first corner. And wow, let's see. Here is my friend Kuba. is fighting for the second place. I did a few mistakes, but I have to be again fifth. Again fifth, 2 seconds from the 4th place and 4 seconds from the 3rd place. We are after 4 stages. Right now with my friend Patrick, we are talking about how we are improving our performances, because this is like our 3rd year coming here to Czech Republic. And slowly we are getting closer to the top. Closer to the top, it means that we are almost able to fight in a stable way in the top 10. And when we were coming like years ago, our goal was about top 20.
Yes. And right now we are in top 10, yes, and still we improve, yeah?
Yeah, we are improving, and that's the most important thing. Talking about my setup, I'm not changing anything. Maybe it's a bit too soft, because I was expecting rain, but we have a nice weather. I'm not changing anything. In all stages I'm in the top 5. I always 5th, like scratching the 4th and 3rd place, and it's just about driving style today. By the way, I want to show you something different in the next stage. I'm going to show you the fastest driver of today. Is a young guy. Right now he's starting now because he starts in the 4-wheel drive category and in the 2-wheel drive category. But in the next stage we're going to have a talk with him. He's going to show us his model, and you will see how a top Czech RC driver drives. So guys, as I told you, I'm going to show you the faster driver of today's RC Rally event. Here we have Pavel. Welcome on YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Pavel, tell me something about you. How old are you? From how long are you are playing RC Rally? Something about your cars?
I'm 16 years old. I'm driving 2 years on RC Rally. My first car is Tamiya XV02, and my second car is X-Ray T4.
Yeah, you showed me is this one.
And now I use it X-Ray XB4 by Tux.
Okay, people that follows my YouTube channel knows that this is a very fast chassis, but of course, as you know, you can have the best car, but if you don't train, don't drive in a good way, is nothing. I saw he driving. He's extremely precise, smooth in the corners, and Pavel, I'm going to record you in your next RC stage, which is going to be the 5th.
Okay.
And I'm going to give you the camera,
Okay.
so you can do an on-board.
Okay.
And also guys, a reminder to leave a like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Do you follow my YouTube channel?
Yes.
And that's great. Okay, see you.
Čau. Jo. A pak si stěžoval, že mi stromuje auto, že ten kopíška.
event is just ended. I'm very happy. 5th place overall, and in my best stages I was able to be like 8-10 seconds from the first place, which were taken by Pavel. Now they are saying the general classification. They are announcing the general classification, and depending on the category, they are giving the prizes. It has been an amazing event. I'm very happy. If I remember correctly, this is the best result for me here in Czech Republic. 5th place. I was always very close to the Tux team. Few seconds from them. In one stage, I was able to get the 3rd place. Amazing. I'm very happy. Okay, so it's going to be an amazing season. This has been an amazing start for myself. 1 week ago, a 2nd place. Today, a 5th place here in Czech Republic. So keep the finger crossed for me. Okay, guys. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next week for a new video. Ciao.
Tady na mě.